I'm building a full stack project with the Postgres, Superbase, and all kind of things like front end, back end, and databases, and as well as security. All things, and I'm also going to deploy my backend to the virtual machine, VMs, like Microsoft Azure, and all kind of stuff. But these things taught me a lot because picking projects is not about just building something that is a trash. No, I am not building for just for a hobby project or just for a resume. These things never help me, bro. If I don't scale it, if I don't if I don't really see it to the world and people can use it anywhere in the world, and like that's what all things very matter than just building about things. I'm not a student, first of all. I'm not a fucking student. I am the person who's wanting to do work. I'm the person who's wanting to create something. Not just like a jerk, because that'll never ever matter than ever. I really watch many people, watch many things that all are heading to the wall, and all things really fascinating me. And right now it's night time, and fucking every people are sleeping on the earth, and like most of the people like me, a lot more people are also doing it. They are all people very really matter than ever. Today I really set up my whole things, and I thought that why these things are taking more time. Why not? I can get it more quickly. Why not that all things are happening that way? Oh, this is not something that I'm doing for just something that is just work and just using AI and just making things work. Not. If I do that, it's never ever gonna to be a, a thing that is working better. So right now, without wasting your time, let me show you what F I did, and as well after that I'm going to say some of the clue that how you can do and a lot more things that you have to understood. So let's see start from now. Let's just see. And you see this over here, the folder structure, and I have today built these APIs like sign up API and connecting to the controller, and now controllers is talking to something called as service. Okay, controllers calling to the services, this folder, and then after it going to this repository. And there are many things are happening over here, and also connecting these things taught me a lot. This repository is directly talking to the database, and this one is the service, that service talking to the repository that is directly talking to the superbase, and directly talking to the DB. And you see this is our third day, and really you see this crossing these numbers literally feels me a lot. And these things are really helping me to thought about. And you see this, there are many documents and things that I read about that after I did something. Okay, you see this, press my website, and as well as some kind of these AI things. Okay, let me clear you. Let me clear you. AI are also dumb. Really, literally, AI never taught me anything. Why? Why? I think what you have to think about AI is something that humans are made every docs, every files. They've written a lot more blogs, they've written a lot more thought process, a lot more things, and then they have given to someone who's making it easier, or maybe making mistakes, giving you the result every single time, the AI, and you're grabbing it and you're using it. Sometimes it's bad, sometimes that gives you anything jerk, and sometimes it's make you in the trouble. There are a lot more things, right? So it's just something that can help you and can be not. You have a person who's watching the real source, and then also going from the AI to making it easier. I think always make sure, always cross check the AI stuff that is saying to the real source, where whether is that or a service, a docs, so these kind of things, right? you can do it as well, because I know people are just thinking about just watching or scrolling reels. Okay, one reel, two reels, this reel, what the heck matter, bro? People are just overcrowding into their head. That does not matter right now. I know I'm also pushing myself very harder than ever. I'm not something special who's doing things. I have also seen people's doing it. I'm also doing it. That's it, bro. Someone else is also seeing me this, someone else is happening this, and all those things. But that's all helping me to do it. And also, that all can help you to do it. When you do it, start doing it. That's it. When you talk to other people as well, talking to real humans. These people are not talking to anyone. They are just watching a video and saying, oh, I know this, I know that, I know that. No ever, bro. No ever. It's not about knowing everything. It's about something that you know in a T-shaped person. Being a T-shaped person helps you a lot. T-shaped means that vertical vertical line is saying you to be in a be in a specific skill and knowing in a deeper level that thing. Okay, and that surface thing, the horizontal line is saying of that horizontal line of T is saying that you know many things in a broader manner, and you are good at one thing that is known as T-shaped person. Like, okay, and this is also you don't need to be a person who's know one thing. No way, that will not help you, bro. So I think these kind of things I don't need to fear. Maybe I don't want to gatekeep anything. I don't want to keep things to me, and just people are all crumbled, people are go in the crowd and say that, oh damn, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to do this. No way. I want you people to do things. I want you people to think about things. If you don't, just ask me in my comment box. I can help you with that if I can, so I can share you all the stuff that I'm doing, and then whatever you can as well. But I can't give you a job, or maybe later on. But I think you don't need to be a picture with something about a job and this tag and that tag. I never personally myself, I never really tagged a thing with a thing. Like, I never tagged a thing, because I know everything that is happening over here is with a process, with many conditions, and a lot more things that are really making it happen, not just a topic. So I think you understood these things, and you don't need to be a thinker that is just thinking in a way and having a fixed mindset kind of stuff and these things. Like, okay, don't be a guy like that. Okay, and I also saying right now that fixed mindset, that doesn't mean I'm tracking, like tagging a thing that fixed mindset and growth mindset. What the heck matter? After what, when you search about these terms and you see some of the words, and after that you forget about. So be a person who's knowing things and taking it into their habits and making your habit into it. So when you build your habit like that, you win it, bro. We win it. You win it. Personally, I'm saying this. You win it. So let's go. I think that's enough to say. And this is day 3, and I've done my things. That's okay. Now it's done. Let's go. And I'll see you tomorrow.